To determine the number of payments to settle an account, we are going to use the ExcelNper function, where that returns the number of periods for an investment based on periodic, constant payments and a constant interest rate. So we are going to enter the rate, which again is 12% divided by 12. The payment that we are going to make is $225. The present value is the balance that you started with. The future value in this case will be 0 because you are paying off a loan, or in this case your credit card. And the type, it says we paid it at the beginning of the period and not the end. So the type is 1, close the bracket and enter. To calculate the depreciation, we are going to make use of the DB function. But first, let's look at the information needed. First, this is the date that you initially bought the equipment. This was the cost of the equipment. The salvage value is the value that this equipment is worth after the lifespan of it. And in this case, the lifespan is 3 years. Now we have to first calculate how many months we had this equipment during the first year. Now, if I bought something on the 1st of April, it means that there's 9 months left of the year. Months in the last year will then, to get to 36 months, means there will be 3 months left in the last year. Now, if I want to calculate the depreciation in the first year, I'm going to start with DB. You are going to enter the cost. You are going to enter the salvage value. You are going to enter the lifespan. You are going to enter the period. The period is that year in which you are calculating the depreciation. In this example, it is the first year. And then lastly, the month means, or refer to how many months left in the first year. Always the first year. Close the bracket and enter. If you bought something on the 1st of January, the month was 12, and then you do not have to fill it in. So that is the depreciation in the first year. If I want to calculate now the depreciation in the second year, I'm going to enter the cost as well, the salvage value, the life, which is 3 years, the period, which is now in the second year, and the month, still referring how many months left in the first year, which is 9. Close my bracket and enter. And so you can calculate now the depreciation of the third and the fourth year.